Today, before we do any mixing of materials, I want you to take a look at what the flour and the salt and the water looks like. And we're going to write down some properties of what we see. Some properties of the flour and the salt and the water. So here's the flour. Look at it and pass it around. Make sure you look at it. What could we say? What could we say are some properties of this flour?
It's smooth.
It's smooth. Annalise?
Soft.
Soft. Well, let's look. What do you think?
It kind of little lumps in it.
It does have a few little lumps in it. Okay, so we're saying that the flour is soft. All right, so let's look at water. What words could we use to describe water? Sophia?
Wet.
Wet. Wet's a good word.